everyone, in this video we will see how to install Docker desktop on a Windows system. To find the download link, just search Docker desktop, click the first link. Here you can see we have the button download Docker desktop. Click it, let it download. The file has been downloaded, now we'll install it. So let's do that. Here it is, running the installation now. Hit OK. Now it's asking us to close and log out. I'm back after logging in, and now it's asking us to accept. So we'll do that. Let's continue without signing in for now. Skip. And it's now starting the Docker engine. This is now up and we can run any container, any Docker container in it on a Windows system.